everyone, I'm Josie Vilay, owner of Hairology Studio in Winnipeg, Manitoba. I'm so excited to share with you my latest project. I've partnered with Schwarzkopf Professional to create my own IGORA Royal Mixes inspired by Pantone. As a colorist in the salon, color range and customization in a color line is huge to me. I've created 2 different looks using the IGORA Royal Color Mixes inspired by Pantone. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to harmoniously use warm and ash tones together using the IGORA Royal Mixes to create Pantone Peach Blossom, Apricot Brandy, and Iron Gate. This is going to create a bold, beautiful look. We are taught in school using the basics of color theory that complementary colors like yellow and violet neutralize each other, while colors that are similar to each other, like orange and red, give us a sense of harmony. We are often not aware that warm and cool tones can also harmoniously play well together and create color palettes that are moody and give a range of depth to pops of color. Today, I will be showing you how you can enhance or even exaggerate a haircut or style by using color placements. This technique will be similar to a color melt, but the strong color placements will give a much edgier look. I am going to start by sectioning the hair. I really want to accentuate our model's bangs and create definition between each color in her hair. I'm going to start with pre-lightening her first section, which is the bang area, with IGORA Vario Plus and IGORA Royal 10 Volume Developer. I'm going to let this process until it is lifted to a level 9. I am pre-lightening this section because I really want to expose the true pigments in my beautiful IGORA Royal mix. I am going to start by applying Skin Protect Barrier Cream to her hairline to prevent any staining or irritation. I'm applying from the bottom section of the ears first and the bangs last. I like applying it this way because it makes for a cleaner application. I will start applying her first section from the nape of her neck to 2 inches above the occipital bone. I say 2 inches because this is where you look and see where her shortest layers fall, because it will act as a transition line in the color melt, really separating the 2 colors. Saturation is huge. This is why I emphasize thin sections. You want to get full coverage and even tone throughout. The soft light hue of my IGORA Royal Mix 9-55 plus 0-88 will give an illusion of volume and length while drawing your eyes to the deeper colors. In section 2, the crown, I've included everything from her shortest layer to the start of her bangs. This mix will be used as my transition. This would be my melt, to separate the depth of coolness of the front section and melting into the soft warmth of the nape section. For this mix, I wanted the lightness of a level 9, but with some depth and cool pigments from a level 5-99. I chose to add in IGORA Royal Pacifier because the tone I created, I wanted to be a softer, muted version of itself. One of the best ways to customize your IGORA Royal shades is by using the pure pigment boosters and neutralizers. When you begin to intermix like spices, the possibilities are endless. Lastly, I will start applying the IGORA Royal Mix 8-11 plus 0-33 plus 0-55 to her hairline and along her sectioning to create the strong division between the colors. I love this color because it's such a powerful, impactful color that it's going to draw your eyes immediately to her bang area. I am using Schwarzkopf Professional BC Bonicure pH 4.5 Color-Free Shampoo and Schwarzkopf Professional Hair Sealer pH Neutralizing Treatment to really lock in the color pigments, seal the cuticle, and prevent color fade. The hair sealer is amazing. In only 30 seconds, it gives tons of shine from roots to ends. This will leave your client feeling bold and powerful with the softness to her edge. The different melts of warm and cool tones will complement each other, creating softness within the hard lines. Your client will leave the salon with a big, bold transformation.